everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny Chess Info. Today we are going to know about rupture discs. So in this presentation, I am going to talk about what is a rupture disc, history of the rupture disc types, why do we need a rupture disc, what is the information required to select a rupture disc, instructions while installing rupture disc, and what to do when a rupture disc bursts. The first one, what is a rupture disc? It is a safety critical equipment. A rupture disc is a thin diaphragm, generally a solid metal disc designed to rupture or burst at a designated pressure. It is an engineered weak spot designed to protect vessels, piping, personnel, and equipment from unexpected excessive pressure. A rupture disc device includes a rupture disc and a rupture disc holder. Next one, the history of the rupture disc. In 1940s, formed a solid metal rupture disc which could operate at 70% of their burst pressure. In 1950s up to 80%, in 1960s up to 90%, and in US operate up to 95% of the rupture disc burst pressure without any leakage. Next one, the types of rupture discs. Depending upon the application and suitability, rupture disc can be different types. Rupture disc can be made up of wide variety of materials ranging from carbon steel, stainless steel, graphite, hastelloy, aluminium, nickel, monel, tantalum, etc. Rupture discs are widely accepted and used in industries and normally available from 3 mm to 1200 mm sizes. Certain types of rupture discs can cycle millions of times from their operating pressure to full vacuum without failures. Rupture discs are available in 1/8 inch in diameter up 50 inch plus in diameters. The burst pressure of a rupture disc can be from only several inches of the water column to 1 lakh psig. Why do we need a rupture disc? Rupture discs are essential part of pressure relief system. Rupture discs burst within milliseconds of exposure to their burst pressure. Rupture discs are ideal for isolating valve from corrosive chemicals so that the valve does not have to be made of an exotic chemical. Most designs of rupture disc allow higher relief capacities compared to the same side of pressure relief valve. Rupture disc may be used either primary relief, secondary relief, or in series with a relief valve. Rupture disc remain leak tight until they burst. And next one, what is the information required to select a rupture disc? So the following information we required to select a rupture disc: media type, which means gas or liquid, maximum allowable working pressure of a vessel, piping, equipment, process is static, cyclic or pulsating, maximum vacuum or back pressure, desired burst pressure for the rupture disc, coincident temperature, fragmenting or non-fragmenting rupture disc required, manufacturing raise, leakage requirement, size, material, and special requirements like testing, cleaning, packing, making, etc. This is the information we have to get to select a rupture disc. Next one, instructions while installing a rupture disc. There are very simple instructions we have to follow while installing rupture disc. First of all, read the installation instructions. Be very careful when handling a rupture disc. Do not touch the center portion of the rupture disc. Hold the rupture disc by the gasket. Inspect the rupture discs. Look for the dent or damage. Check for the deep scratches. Ensure the burst pressure, temperature, size, material, etc. is correct on the tag. Inspect the rupture disc holder. Check for the damage. Look for the deep scratches in sealing areas. And last one, what to do when a rupture disc bursts? Stop your process. Most likely, something involving the process caused the rupture disc to burst. Stop the entire process or the part of the process that is causing the pressure buildup in the equipment. Access your personal protective equipment. Ensure that anyone in close proximity to the rupture disc, equipment, and relief system is unharmed. Check your equipment to make sure that it has not been damaged somewhere due to the rupture disc bursting. So this is about rupture disc. Hope you understand about rupture disc. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos to get more videos. Once again, thank you and have a safe day.